Ankle sprain is a very common injury, and starting of the summer I decided to do a small video about ankle taping. About 85% of the injuries come to lateral side of the ankle because the mechanism of injury is inversion direction. Purpose of the taping is to have good external support to ankle in the first few days, and if you want to see video about first aid and rehabilitation, then check the video in the upper right corner. Small and mild ankle injuries heal up themselves within 14 days of injury, and the bigger the issue is, then you need to put more dedication to rehabilitation. First, you will going to see a small clip how I tape a client's ankle in my office, and next you will see the clip how I do taping for myself if I'm alone and need external support for the ankle. First, grab yourself a good amount of the hard regular sport tape that isn't flexible. Place your ankle to 90 degrees angle. Place the center of the tape under the leg. The point is to make a circle around the foot. The distal part of the soleus and the middle point of those two come on top of the upper ankle joint. Take the end part of the tape that comes to the lateral side of the leg. Place it top of the ankle. Roll it behind the shin and place the ending part to lateral side of the ankle. Make sure that the tape have good contact to skin in every way. Take the inner part of the tape and put it top of the ankle again, making the mark X on the ankle. If you have a good amount of the tape, you can go around the shin nicely. Grab a new tape, place the middle point again under the leg and make another tape with similar style. You want to have your tapes on top of each other with overlap of 50% of the tape. So half of the tape is on skin and the other half is on top of the previous taping at this point. You can do this X taping as many times as you want, but typically I use 2 or 3 rounds to get the good support for the ankle. Next, we need to have good direct tape going from bottom of the leg to both sides of the ankle. Grab smaller piece of tape, ankle again at 90 degrees angle. Place one end of the tape to medial side of the circle tape. Then place the rest of the tape going downwards around the leg to lateral side of the leg. If your tape is too long, rip it or cut it with the scissors. When you want to support your lateral side of the leg, put several tapes going from medial side to lateral side of the leg. At the end of the taping, you want to have good circle of tape tie up all the tape ends. Do not pull the tape tight because we don't want to block any circulation, and the placement of the tape should be always done gently without a pull. Here we have an example of where the tape is going nicely from the medial side to lateral side. When you apply the tape on yourself, you want to have similar idea on the background. Keep the angle at 90 degrees, place the leg top of some sort of platform or something similar. You want to make similar X style mark on the top of the ankle, so grab long strip of the tape, place it under the leg and place the taping similarly as in previous taping, and put the end of the tape loosely going in circle around the ankle. Take another strip again and place the tapes on top of each other with half of the tapes overlapping. Put as many rounds as you need. Then take a shorter piece of tape and place it from medial border of the circle to lateral side and put this kind of tape with your own style and how firmly you want to give an ankle external support. When direct tapes are done, make a circle of tape loosely, wrap around all end of the tapes and try out how much support it gives when you are placing the ankle to inversion direction. If you like this content, hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, you never know when you need it. Remember to subscribe to the channel and put notifications on. See you at the next one.